Hi everyone, this is Dr. Karthik Reddy, Director SLNS Nature Cure, BB Nagar. Today we will understand a simple concept of energy. How vehicles will get energy, how in comparison with the body, and COVID-19 patients, post-COVID patients. So, for burning of any fuel, it required oxygen. For a car or a bike, if air filter is blocked, it's incompletely blocked, the fuel is incompletely burnt. It can emit lot of smoke. If it is fully blocked, engine will not start. Why? For burning of fuel, oxygen is necessary. If you lighten a lamp and keep it over a lead, it will fade away. Why? For burning of lamp, it required oxygen. So non-availability of oxygen can bring energy very low and it will collapse. Similarly, in presence of oxygen, one molecule of glucose in living cell can yield 38 ATP in presence of oxygen. In absence of oxygen, the same molecule of glucose yield only 2 ATP. So this is root cause for congestive cardiac failure, fatty liver, and type 2 diabetes mellitus, and many other disorders. This is normally we see in general population. When you take a COVID patient, due to inflammation of lungs, when oxygen supply is low, his energy levels will totally collapse. His organs, liver, heart, brain, every cell started working anaerobic combustion, where it can yield only 2 ATP. A lot of intermediate compounds will collapse the body. That is why when oxygen is not available, a patient can go to coma and death. So many people think that to improve energy level, he has to eat more food, that is more calorie. The food which are rich in calorie are especially milk, diet which contain more fats, ghee, or fried food, non-vegetarian. So this food will not increase energy levels. You give this this kind of foods to the COVID patient or any bedridden patient. No, many people advise good calorie food, but no. So here, along with the food, the consumption of oxygen is also important. That is why people who do regular exercise, yoga, pranayama, or gym, or any kind of aerobic exercise, they are more active and they are more energetic, even though if they take less quantity of food. So post-COVID cases should consume the physical activity. The pranayama is most important here. I wish everybody take a bland and a simple food and do more breathing exercise, so that your organs, your blood supply from the heart to rest of the body, there is no blockage. That is in anaerobic respiration, when oxygen levels go very low, the phospholipids increases and blood clotting takes place, and further blockage of the blood vessels will affect supply of oxygen to the heart and the lungs, and there is a collapse of the system, whole body. So I wish everybody like this video and focus on their regular exercise and improve their body energy levels in post COVID patients. Thank you.